Alright, so I got the keys and let's go ahead and start it. Here's the interior. Let me take this away. You guys can see the seats. Check out the interior. Carbon fiber trims, yellow stitching. Alright. Done to it so far. We went ahead and put the black boost intakes. See what it says. There you go. Motor works. Heat blanket, turbo blanket. I'm about to do the heat exchangers from CSF. Alright, a little too much noise. So I need to do the heat exchangers because I don't know if you guys saw the video, but I broke this one. I had a transmission plug or some sort of bolt hit one of my coolers and it was leaking horribly, so I was getting a transmission cooling failure. We have the black boost downpipes as well, and it's tuned by Bono. So I haven't really tested it because we broke the heat exchangers. So once that's done, I'll be able to make some pulls and see what it does on draggy. So this is my 2019 GTR and I call it the Grinch. So hope you guys enjoy it and like it, and I'll be uploading more content on the car as we go.